Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Fiverr and Legiit to help you understand which freelance marketplace is the better choice for your needs in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer looking for work or a client searching for reliable services, this breakdown will make everything easier to understand. And before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more freelancing tips and platform comparisons. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the biggest freelance platforms in the world. It has millions of active freelancers offering services across almost every category you can imagine, from design and writing to video editing, marketing, programming, and more. The huge user base gives buyers tons of choices, and it gives freelancers access to a very large global market. However, with that size comes competition. New freelancers often struggle with visibility because hundreds of other sellers offer similar services. You need strong gig titles, optimized descriptions, and good reviews to stand out. On the other hand, Legiit is a smaller and more niche-focused marketplace. It's especially known in communities that need SEO work, website development, content writing, and digital marketing services. Because the platform is smaller, it's less crowded, and freelancers often find it easier to get noticed. Clients who need specialized tasks, especially anything SEO related, often appreciate Legiit's more focused environment. Many freelancers say they experience less price competition there, which can help them earn better rates. Now, let's compare the two directly. Fiverr has much broader service categories, so if you need something unique or offbeat, Fiverr probably has someone offering it. Legiit is more specialized and tends to attract professionals in marketing and website-related services, so the work quality in those categories can feel more consistent. Fiverr's large marketplace offers huge opportunities, but quality can vary a lot since anyone can join and offer services. Legiit's smaller size means fewer choices, but the services offered tend to be more niche and targeted. For freelancers, the choice depends on your goals. Fiverr is great if you want high traffic and potentially large order volume, but you must work harder to stand out. Legiit is ideal if you specialize in SEO, marketing, or tech-related services and want a less competitive environment where your skills shine more easily. For clients, Fiverr is perfect if you want variety and flexibility. Legiit is better if you're looking for niche digital marketing services with providers who specialize in that space. In the end, both platforms have their strengths. Fiverr wins in size, variety, and global reach. Legiit shines in niche expertise and lower competition. Many freelancers even use both platforms to maximize their opportunities. If this video helped you decide which platform to use, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more freelancing tips, and share this with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.